This video demonstrates a surveillance agent designed for real-time camera control, visual analysis, and alert management. The agent operates through natural language commands, translating user intent into secure system actions, such as camera management, object-level detection, live feed analysis, and alert orchestration. Throughout this demo, you'll see how conversational input is mapped directly to vision inference pipelines and control APIs, enabling precise interaction with a multi-camera environment. Now, let's start by controlling the platform through a conversational interaction with our agent. First, I want to identify the cameras in my Cuby. I ask, what are the armed cameras? The agent communicates with our MCP-compatible backend and retrieves the current camera status. We can see the list of cameras where some are armed and others are disarmed. Next, I disarm camera 2. Using the same process, we can immediately see that camera 2 has been disarmed. Finally, I rearm the camera. The agent also maintains context of the current view. When I navigate to the camera level, I can modify the alarm settings to detect only persons for the active camera. We can now see that vehicle detection has been disabled, leaving only person detection enabled. In this way, all platform management features can be accessed and controlled using natural language. Next, let's explore the visual understanding capabilities of our agent. I want to know what's happening on the live feed of camera 1. When I ask this, the agent retrieves the live feed, processes it using a vision language model, and analyzes the scene. Once the analysis is complete, it returns a contextual summary of its observations. Let's repeat this for the camera 2 feed. In this case, the agent describes the scene, which is particularly useful for understanding the environment without directly viewing the live stream. Now let's ask a more specific question. How many cups are on the table? The agent provides a reasonable and contextually accurate answer. This capability enables other agents and services to interact with the system without requiring direct access to the camera live streams. Finally, let's look at alert management using natural language queries. Suppose I want to create an alerting service to detect black SUVs. Once the alert is set up, the agent analyzes the live stream at defined intervals and generates the corresponding alert, which becomes available within the platform. I can query the active alerting rules using natural language and manage them by adjusting parameters, such as the frequency of checks. This capability allows users to configure highly specific alerts using natural language, going beyond what a classical object detection model can provide out of the box. Now let's see how Cuby can compare different camera streams to provide an answer-based few camera streams. For this, I'll be using a thermal camera. As the prompt I gave, can you compare the thermal camera stream with the regular camera stream and find the hot objects? Let's wait until Cuby analyzes the camera streams. As you can see, it was able to identify that there is a hot piece of electronic equipment on the shelf. Also, it was able to identify the temperature of the object.